Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. Please subscribe to my channel for daily new videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify and install the Tor browser on a Linux computer. So the instructions that I'm going to show you right now will work on most Linux distros like Fedora, Debian, and Kali. But I'm going to do it from Ubuntu because this is the most popular one. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the Tor browser download page that I have right here, and I'm going to include its links in the description of this video. You want to scroll down to where you have the downloads for all the operating systems, and this time we want to install it on Linux. So I'm going to go here to the right where it says Linux and I'm going to download the first one because this is the English version. Now I have a 64-bit computer, so I'm going to click on the 64 bits, and this will allow me to download the Tor version for Linux for 64-bit computers. I've already downloaded this right here, as you can see in my downloads. So I'm going to cancel this. And once you have it downloaded, all you have to do is really extract it and run the binary that will run the browser for you. So I'm going to right-click it, extract here. We have the package content right here. And if we navigate inside this, we have the browser and this is the binary that you want to run in order to run the browser. So I'm going to go back to my terminal right here. I'm going to clear the screen and keep in mind in my terminal. If I do pwd, I'm already in my downloads directory. So if I do ls, you'll see the directory that was just created when we uncompressed the package, so we can navigate into this by doing cd tor browser linux. The whole thing you can actually use the tab to autocomplete. I'm going to hit enter and I'm inside this directory right here. The next thing I need to do is to go inside this directory. So again, if I do ls, you'll see we have one directory in here. So we're going to do cd tor browser ns again. If I do ls, it's a list, all the files and directories, and similar to what you see in here, we have the browser and the start browser desktop. Note that this right here is in green. This means that this is an executable, so we can run any executables in Linux by doing followed by the executable name, which is start to browser desktop. I'm going to hit enter to run this executable and this will launch the Tor browser for me, as you can see. And in order to connect to the Tor network, all I have to do is just click on connect here. This will connect to the Tor network. It will configure the browser to send all data through the Tor network. And as you can see, I'll get Firefox window browser similar to Firefox. But like I said, any website that you'll go to through this browser will be loaded over the Tor network. So that's it for this video. Right now we managed to install the Tor browser on Linux using a clean and unmodified package. Don't worry about how to use the term browser and about its settings. We will talk about that in the next videos. Don't forget to like and share.